In today's class, we will discuss the topic of trade. Trade, a dynamic and multifaceted process, encapsulates the intricate exchange of goods and services between discerning buyers and sellers. Trade orchestrates exchanges with negotiated prices, facilitating the transfer of ownership through tangible goods delivery. Importance of trade. 1. Variety of goods and services. Trade acts as a conduit for the proliferation of an extensive array of goods and services, ensuring diversity in the marketplace. 2. Improved standard of living. By affording individuals access to a broad spectrum of products, trade becomes instrumental in elevating and enhancing the overall standard of living. 3. Global friendship. Beyond mere economic transactions, trade fosters a sense of international camaraderie, cultivating positive relationships among nations through mutually beneficial engagements. 4. Employment opportunities. The dynamic flow of goods and services within trade not only sustains existing jobs but also begets new employment opportunities, fostering economic growth across diverse industries. 5. Currency value. Trade plays a pivotal role in influencing the value of national currencies, shaping economic activities and transactions on a global scale. 6. Market connection. At its core, trade serves as a bustling nexus where buyers and sellers converge, efficiently facilitating economic transactions and creating a synergy that propels market dynamics. Forms of trade. A. Home trade. B. Foreign trade. Home trade. Home trade, synonymous with domestic or internal trade, intricately involves the buying and selling of goods and services within the confines of a nation. This trade domain comprises I. Wholesale trade, a sophisticated process wherein goods are procured in substantial quantities from producers, with wholesalers subsequently distributing smaller quantities to retailers. 2. Retail trade, a downstream operation involving the purchase of goods in modest quantities from wholesalers, which are then sold in individual units to end consumers. Foreign trade. Foreign trade, an expansive domain, encompasses the international selling of goods and services and can be further categorized into I. Import trade, a meticulous process of procuring goods from other nations, with individuals or entities engaging in this operation being classified as importers. 2. Export trade, the deliberate act of selling locally produced goods to foreign nations, with those undertaking this venture recognized as exporters. 3. Entrepot trade, a distinctive facet involving the re-exportation of goods acquired from one foreign country to another without further processing, thereby contributing to the global trade network. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.